Well, that was a close one. Okay, here we are again. And we'll be observing the cat in its natural environment. So, as you can see, the cat likes to hide until I come along and upset its natural balance. Oh no, back again. What do you want? I'm not trying to do is make a documentary. Don't you understand that? It's a documentary. It's a documentary. Let go, man. I'm doing a documentary. Ah. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna fight you like a mouse. Come on, there. You can't beat me. Yeah, I got you now. Oh, fuck, you can turn around. Oh, fuck, you got claws as well. Ah!
Until the 25th of September, also doing fine for £1 on selected stations.
Ow, shit. Yeah, I beat you there now, didn't I? Yeah, go stretch yourself. Okay, here we are. Surprise attack by the mouse. The cat didn't see that coming from anywhere. Oh, shit. Fuck. Oh. Get off me. Surprise! Oh. Oh. Yeah. You're not worried to be a cat. Oh shit. Get off! Fuck me. Oh, that's spectacular! Well. I don't know. Totally. Get off, Bez.